Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Maple burl and aluminite resin dyed orange. We're good to go, so let's get it on the lathe and get it spinning. All right, big shout out to Brad over at Brad's Wood Turning. Sent me a tin of sanding paste and a tin of tongue wax finish. We're going to give this stuff a try. Sent me a sticker, a couple of stickers actually. So here we go, Brad. First time trying your product, so let's see what it's all about, buddy. Hey, and thank you for the for the finish wax and the sanding paste and the sticker, man. Really appreciate you, brother. Thank you. All right, here we go. I'll leave a link to Brad's website, social media, and all that good stuff down in the description box below. So be looking for him, man. I've heard nothing but good stuff about this. So we got to try it. All right. Looks good. That's just the sanding paste, so keep going with this. I'll bring you back when we do the tongue wax. All right, we're going to hit this with the tongue wax now. Direction. All right. We'll let that set up for a little bit. I like it. It's looking good. All right, there it is. We've got that tongue wax buffed off. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to let that set up a little bit. We're going to get this parted off, and then I'll be back when I'm ready to turn a lid for this. So we're going to go ahead and go with a lidded box on this. But man, coming out good. All right, we're going to get this buffed out. Use some white diamond and some carnauba on that. I can't find my triple E, but I think I got enough on there, and that sanded up to 1200. So anyway, we'll get going on the buffing. It's maple burl with Alumilite resin. We just got done buffing it off. There's the bottom. I still got to oil that up. The lid was a piece of maple burl that I wanted to leave that live edge in there to kind of go along with the theme of the live edge in the resin. So anyway, everything's finished with Mahoney's oil. Well, the lid is finished with Mahoney's, and I used Brad's sanding paste and Brad's tongue wax on this, and then buffed everything out. So big shout out to Brad. I'll leave links down to Brad's wood turning, all his social stuff down below in the description. But anyway, I wish I would have done a better job on the inside. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. That was hard to do for me anyway, but anyway, we'll get better with practice, right? So anyway, there it is. I hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed turning it. So thank you, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking, leave comments. Let me know what you think down below. So anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching. I'll put some stills up at the end. So thanks, everybody. Bye.